Hi there, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to walking you through the process of setting up a custom domain for your Linklittle account. So you can use your own domain to shorten URLs instead of our domains. To use our custom domain feature, you must have to purchase our premium plan. Also, premium plan include other advanced features such as splash pages, overlay pages, tracking pixels and more. Currently, if you're a free member, you can click Upgrade button at the top of your account to upgrade your account. Then select the billing circle monthly or yearly, and then click on Go Pro. I prefer the yearly plan because I'll get a discount, and also it stops me from going through the hassle of renewing my premium membership every month. I suggest you do the same. After clicking on the Go Pro button, fill out your name and billing address, and then click on Pay with PayPal. Then you'll be redirected to PayPal and you can make your payment by logging into your PayPal account. After completing your purchase, you'll be redirected to your account and your account will upgrade automatically. I've just upgraded my account to Pro. Now I can start setting up my custom domain. Once you're in your account, click on Custom Domain in the left navigation, and then you will see the instruction to set up your custom domain. First, you need to log into your domain registrar and navigate to the DNS configuration page. In this case, I'm going to use vovhosting.club as my custom domain, and my domain registrar is namecheap.com. I click on Manage to go to the DNS configuration page. Then click on Advanced DNS, and then we can configure DNS settings. First, I'll show you how to configure a subdomain as the custom domain. To set up a subdomain as the custom domain, you need to create a CNAME record for our domain. To add a CNAME record, click on Add New Record, and then select CNAME record. Then enter anything you wish in the host field, and set the value to linklittle.com. Then save the record. In this case, I'm not going to save the CNAME record because I'll use the root domain instead of a subdomain. But if you want to use a subdomain, make sure to save it. If you want to use the root domain as the custom domain in your Linklittle account, then you need to set up an AV record by pointing into our server IP address. Simply click on Add New Record, and then select AV record as the record type. Then put it as the host, and enter our server IP address in the value field. You can find our IP address on the right side of custom domain page in your Linklittle account. If you have any other DNS records, delete all, leaving either your CNAME record or AV record. Then back to your Linklittle account and enter your custom domain, and make sure to include HTTP or https:// at the beginning. Then hit save. Now we have completed the first step. Then we have to wait until the DNS propagates completed. It can take up to 36 hours. But usually, it won't take that much longer. Alright, I waited like 30 minutes and now my domain is pointed to the Linklittle server IP address. Once DNS propagate is complete, you can visit your custom domain, and you'll notice about an SSL certificate error. Don't worry. It's completely normal, and you see it because don't have an SSL certificate installed in your domain. Now let's look at how to fix this problem. What we are going to do now is install an SSL certificate for your domain name. To do that, we need to have a Cloudflare account. Just visit cloudflare.com and then click on Sign Up. Then fill up your information and sign up for a free account. You'll get a confirmation email, and make sure to confirm your email address. Once your account is created, just log into your account. Right now I'm in my Cloudflare account. Now let's see how to connect our domain with our Cloudflare account and how to set up an SSL certificate. First, click on Add Site and enter your domain name. In this case, my domain is vovhosting.club, and I enter it as my domain name. Then click Add Site. Then it will start querying your DNS records, and it will configure everything automatically. Then click on Next. Then it will ask you to choose your plan. Select the free plan, and then confirm the free plan. Then you will see DNS configurations, and we don't need to change anything here. What we need to do is scroll down to the Change Your Name Servers section. Now you can see your Cloudflare named servers, and instructions to point your domain name to Cloudflare. Once again, log into your domain registrar account, and this time we are going to change the domain name servers to Cloudflare name servers instead of default domain name servers. Select custom name servers and enter Cloudflare name servers and save it. Then your domain will point to your Cloudflare account. This process also can take up to 48 hours. But usually, it won't take that much longer. Then back to your Cloudflare account and click continue. Then you'll see the status as DNS modification pending. That's because our DNS changes haven't completed yet. We have to wait till it complete. Once DNS propagate is complete, you will see the status as active. Now I'm on my Cloudflare account, and you can see my site is now active. It took about 2 hours to propagate properly. Then what we have to do is scroll down and head to the domain summary. Most likely you'll see your SSL certificate as flexible. We need to change that. Because at this point, if you visit your website you'll get an error. To fix that we need to change the SSL option. Click on flexible, then you'll see the SSL certificate option, changed it to full instead of flexible. If your SSL certificate is still not active, don't worry, it will activate within 24 hours. Once SSL certificate is active you can visit your domain, and you'll see our default domain is working page. If you can see the page without any problem, which means now you can use your domain to shorten URLs. If you get any error your domain isn't working, most likely that there is something wrong with your DNS configuration. You can simply contact us via live chat, and we'll help you to solve your problem. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll talk to you soon. Have a great day. Bye.